In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in AutoCAD quickly and efficiently for clear annotations and professional drawings. Start by opening the Home tab and locating the Annotations section where the text tools are available. Click on the text option and choose between single-line text for short labels or multi-line text for longer notes and descriptions. After selecting your preferred option, click anywhere in the drawing area to place the text box and begin typing your content. Once the text appears, you can easily adjust its appearance by double-clicking it to enter editing mode. From there, you can change the text height, font style, alignment, and formatting to better match your drawing requirements. If the text looks too large or too small, simply modify the text height until it fits properly within the scale of your project. Using clean and readable annotations is extremely important because it helps others understand your drawings more clearly and improves the overall presentation of your work. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.